If you are looking for a new speaker for your camping adventures, then you need to check out the Muzen outdoor speaker. This thing is amazing. It comes in a lovely bag perfect for gifting. When you take it out, you have a really nice hard case that will be great for traveling. Pop it open. You can see it's nice and cushioned inside, and here is your speaker. This thing is incredible. It takes 2 hours to charge by the charging port right over here, and then all you have to do is turn it on and you are ready to go. So to turn it on, you press down for 7 seconds. You can hear it has started, connected to my phone, and I can now enjoy music. We turn it down. I can enjoy the great outdoors with my music. Now you can buy separately this lovely lanyard that will go with the speaker here. I really like this because it is heavy duty and it is extra rope. You always need extra rope when you're camping. I can attach it right like so. And now my speaker can attach to my backpack or my chair or anything really. Now any lanyard will work. You do not need to buy this one, but it all matches, so I like that. Now the really nice thing is if you press down on the power button, I now have a light. I press it again and it gets dimmer, and I press it again and now I have an SOS light. This is very important for when you are in the great outdoors. You never know when you're going to need SOS. And I press it and hold again, and it turns off. So, their statement, born to be wild, it is totally true. Born to be wild, this speaker is definitely. You need this speaker for any outdoor adventures.